Hello and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Today's Wordle Solved, where you guess it, I solved today's Wordle. You'll see the strategy I used, plus I'll give you tips and tricks on how to be the best Wordle player you can possibly be. So take a little time and check it out. You'll be glad you did. Let's go. Here's Wordle number 729 for Sunday, June 18th, 2023. It's Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all of you fathers out there. I'm going to start with my favorite starting word, which is raise, R-A-I-S-E. And I only have one letter. It is an S, and it is out of position. The A, the I, and the E are not in the word. So that means I am going to my second word. I use this word if the starter word that I used does not have a vowel. So the word I use is Y-O-U-T-H, youth. The reason why is it has the remaining three vowels in the word, Y-O-U. So I know one of these letters have to be in the word. Let's see what happens. And the Y is the only vowel in the Wordle word of the day. That's rather interesting. However, I do have three letters. They are all out of position. There is a possibility there could be two Y's in the word. However, I doubt that. So I've got to figure out where the Y goes. It does not go at the end of the word because there would have to be another vowel somewhere in the word. So if I put the Y in the middle and I did S-H-Y, I just really can't think of any words that start with S-H-Y that are five letters, so I don't think that is correct. Another thing about Wordle is as many times as I have played Wordle, the word has never ended in a plural, that is with an S at the end of the word, meaning more than one. So that's not an option. So the S will probably not be the last letter. It's not the fourth letter. I tried it there. It did not work. And maybe it's not the first letter. So if it's the second letter, generally an S as the second letter has to have a vowel before it. And there's not a vowel available. So I'm thinking the S is the third letter. If I go X, X, S, H, Y, that's not going to work because I would have to have another vowel as the first or second letter, and there is not a vowel available unless it is another Y. And I just don't see that working. So this is a very difficult Wordle for Father's Day. I'm thinking there are two Y's in the word, and there is a Y at the end and maybe a Y in the middle of the word. So let's go X, X, Y, X, Y. Now, what goes with the Y at the end of the word? You could have something like a WY, a CY perhaps, an LY, a KY, an MY, NY, a lot of letters, but the one that I'm liking is L. So if I go X, X, Y, L, Y, and the S and the H are the other two letters, it's pretty obvious the word would be shyly. That's the only one that I can think of because I have an S and I have an H. I think there's a good possibility this could be the word. And if it is, it's a very kind of unusual word. I think that Tracy, the editor, was trying to make this a very difficult Wordle today. If this is the word, I think I just kind of got lucky that I had the S, the H, and the Y. And again, I'm pretty sure there are two Y's in the word. I could be wrong, but I just don't think there is a 5-letter word out there that just has one Y and has an S and an H in it. Again, a rather unusual word, a kind of strange looking word, but this could be it. Let's see what happens. Here goes. There it is, shyly. 3 tries, and I'm telling you, I doubt very seriously if a lot of Wordle players are going to get this word in 3 tries. It was kind of a curveball because there were 2 vowels, which I kind of figured there were, but the 2 vowels were the same vowel in a Y, and I just kind of got lucky that I had the S and the H to go with the 2 Ys. Now, if you remember, I had the S, the H, and the Y earlier in the game, but I didn't think it would work because I didn't realize there were 2 Ys in the word. There ended up being 2 Ys in the word, and the S, the H, and the Y were the first 3 letters, which I had earlier, but I didn't figure it out till later in the puzzle. Sometimes that's how it works. So again, happy Father's Day to all of you fathers out there. I hope you have a great day.
So there you have it, how I solved today's Wordle. I hope you learned something from watching this video, and if you did, I hope you take the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, happy Wordling, and be sure to tune in tomorrow for the next Wordle solution.